To remove the fog lights, there's 2 bolts up in here. The fog light is right here, so it's right up above them. There's 10 millimeter socket. So I'm going to remove those. Then now I'm going to remove the light bulb, which doesn't have a light bulb on it right now. I'll be replacing that. So as soon as I take those 2 bolts out, this whole assembly will come right out. I bought some replacement fog lights for the Tahoe on Amazon, 25 bucks for a pair. They have the light bulbs in too. And people in the comment section were complaining that when they installed these, they were saying that they're really flimsy and the plastic is not as thick as the original. And I'm looking at that, it looked the same to me. It seems as rigid as the original, but then there's a screw here that's really loose, and but look at how much that moves. They're going to bounce all over the place on a rough road. So what I'm going to do is remove this is one of the original fog lights that the lenses fell out. This all corroded and stuff. Other than Minnesota, so road salt and chemicals just eat everything up. So these pins here will replace these screws. So what I'll do is take a small screwdriver. These are just kind of the push pin fasteners that the manufacturers use all over the place, and they work. They're, the nice thing about it doesn't corrode, because the adjuster on these original ones, this is rusted solid. I put some lubricant, I can't get those loose, so it doesn't matter. The new ones, the adjusters do move, so that's not an issue. So I'm gonna pull this, get this pin out. Use pliers. Difficult getting this out here. I actually tried the other one. Now one worked. There we go. So there's the pin, and then on this one, these screws, Phillips head, and they just spin. They don't even tighten up, and it's unfortunate. I mean, these seem to be pretty well manufactured and decent, but then there's this weak link. So I'm going to take that screw out, take out this plastic part. It's similar to the original push pin, but it's not as solid. So push this into the hole, push in the pin, and it doesn't move. So on rough roads, that should not. The light, then this mounts, this bracket's up. I have to place that other one, so there's some movement, but when I do the other one, it should be solid, and then they won't bounce. So it's a little tip. And I think too, I'm also going to remove this plastic protector. I think I'm going to put a clear bead of clear silicone all the way around this edge, just to make it more waterproof, and so that moisture, chemicals don't get inside and do the same thing to the new one as what happened to the old one. The old one, the lenses fell out and they just got really nasty. So I think I'm going to do that too before I install them. And there's the new fog light installed. much better than the old one. The old one, the lens was missing, the reflector and back was all corroded. They look like junk. New ones look great. 25 bucks for the pair on Amazon. And I really like them. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.